Alright, this should be part 4. Alright, so we're still in the main section. We just covered the first 2 chords, so I'm moving on to the rest of the chords. So the next one would be E major, and the pattern goes like this. And check out this pattern here. So you have an E on a 14. So basically that's a chord shape. So I probably didn't mention that actually root was not played. Okay, so like in the first 2 chords, you probably noticed the root of the chord wasn't actually in the playing, okay, in the song. All right, so but I indicated that so that we would understand what's going on. So here we'll play 16, starting on a B, and then G sharp, the 3rd of the chord, and then we have an F sharp here, the neighbor of G sharp. Yeah. Pull up again. So, and then you have this E to B, and you have this 16 here, G sharp chord tone. And then you come back to this 16 on the G string. Do an outside picking. All right. And then pull off back to the G sharp. So the whole thing. And when you connect the chords, the last note is actually not played if you listen to Paul Gilbert's performance really closely. Reason being, we're shifting to a chord that is way up the fretboard, and if we play the last note, you can sort of do it, but it's going to be real tight in terms of time. So usually I'll just leave out the last note to kind of give me time to move up the fretboard. All right, so again, the whole pattern slowly. Good news, we're going to use this pattern pretty much to the end of the of this section. So you move this to A major, so we start the same pattern on the 4th dot, which is 21 on the G. All right, one more time. And then 22, put off. Alright, and then we'll move to D major. So basically a good strategy would be to look for the chord shape, and then you can kind of grab the 5th here. So same shape. So 14, 11. Alright, 15 on the B string, D note. Pull up to 10. Next pattern is a G sharp minor 7 flat 5 chord, so maybe slightly different here. So it's a so it's D, B, G sharp. So this one is a the 3rd dot, which is the 19th, and then 18. So this is a 19 to 15, and in here. Sorry, G sharp. So again, you can leave out the last note. And then we move into a C sharp major. So C sharp major, you may have to stretch your hand just a little bit. C sharp, and then 9, 13. Alright, cool. So I will quickly recap every chord in this video. So E major. optionally. All right, and then the A major, same shape. D major, G sharp minor 7 flat 5, and then the C sharp major. All right, and let's cover one more chord. So basically, I do the same pattern here, but I mean the first chord here, but on the 14 of the B string, the 14, 10, and then the 13, and I just stop on the 14. All right, and I would stop this section here. I would cover the rest of the chorus in the next video.